of the universe we can see, there are something like, roughly.
Is the universe empty, or is there really life beyond Earth? The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, just released photographs proving life on Pluto. Brian Cox, a famous scientist, explores these astonishing sights. Is this the discovery that alters our view of the universe? What do Pluto's frigid depths conceal? These recently disclosed JWST photographs may reveal the truth about extraterrestrial life. Recently, scientists announced that some of the features that were discovered on Pluto by the New Horizons spacecraft could be indications of an underlying ocean. And if all of that isn't enough, consider the fact that very few scientists believe that the subterranean ocean, if it ever exists, could possibly support life. During its historic flyby of the small dwarf planet, the New Horizons spacecraft captured images of a weird and alien environment. These images show a frozen wasteland that is dominated by ice flows and water ice mountains. As it turns out, these traits lend credence to the theory that Pluto's geological activity may be driven by the presence of an ocean deep within the planet. It's possible that Pluto has an ocean deep below its surface, just like Europa does. Pluto continues to astound researchers with its high level of activity and dynamism. No one dared to imagine such a thick and localized buildup of geologically young ices that even at 40 kelvins, or negative 388 degrees Fahrenheit, they have enough viscosity to create local landforms. All of the activity they see is consistent with the idea that Pluto has a massive rock core surrounded by an icy shell. This structure increases the probability that there may still be an ocean underneath the thick layer of ice. Renowned scientist Brian Cox made a stunning surprise that ignited excitement all around the world when he presented a set of declassified pictures that showcased the mysterious beauty of Pluto. These photographs were collected by the revolutionary James Webb Space Telescope. Cox painstakingly described the hitherto unseen characteristics of the heavenly body as he was speaking at a scientific conference in front of an attentive audience. The newly revealed photographs depicted Pluto with a clarity that had never been seen before, illuminating a rich tapestry of rocky terrains and intriguing formations that piqued the interest of both astronomers and space fans. Cox provided a description of the captivating dance of light and shadow, which highlighted the singular geological peculiarities of the planet. He emphasized the presence of frozen plains, towering mountains, and intricate patterns engraved across its surface, which evoked feelings of both awe and interest in the listeners of his presentation. As Dr. Cox dug deeper into the scientific ramifications of these photos, he highlighted the importance of the James Webb Space Telescope in revealing the mysteries of our solar system. The unveiling of these declassified photographs surely represents a significant advance in our understanding of Pluto, and as a result, the entire globe is eagerly awaiting additional discoveries from the cosmos. When the New Horizons spacecraft made its historic close approach to Pluto in 2015, our view of the mysterious dwarf planet was fundamentally altered. The New Horizons spacecraft came closer than it had ever been before, and as a result, it was able to gather photographs and data that had never been seen before, which helped uncover the riddles that had been surrounding this faraway world. The extraordinary discoveries made by the spacecraft elevated Pluto from being a simple bright dot to the status of a vibrant and varied world. A mesmerizing landscape was revealed by New Horizons that was characterized by towering mountains, expansive plains of frozen nitrogen, and a feature in the shape of a heart that was given the name Tombao Regio in honor of Pluto's discoverer. Scientists were taken aback by the presence of active geology, which included evidence of cryovolcanoes and frozen dunes. This forced them to reevaluate their previous ideas. In addition, the data made by New Horizons offered a new understanding of Pluto's atmosphere, illuminating its layers of haze and the presence of organic substances. These discoveries sparked fresh discussions and inquiries concerning the history and development of this fascinating celestial body, which has long been a topic of interest. In a nutshell, the close encounter with Pluto that was carried out by the New Horizons spacecraft ushered in a brand new age of scientific discovery, transformed our understanding of this far-off planet, and rekindled our interest in the mysteries that lie dormant in the outer regions of our solar system. Scientists have made the groundbreaking announcement that Pluto may contain an ocean beneath its surface, offering the tantalizing possibility that this distant dwarf planet may be home to life. Using information acquired by NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, scientists have found strong evidence that liquid water exists far below Pluto's icy surface. If this hypothesized ocean is validated, it would completely alter our perspective on the solar system's outer regions. Liquid water is a crucial component for supporting biological activity. Hence, the implications for the presence of life on Pluto are substantial. The occurrence of such an ocean has sparked speculation among scientists that the region might be habitable, providing a home for hardy microbes. More research and exploration are being done to corroborate the findings and learn more about the mysterious ocean beneath Pluto's ice surface. Future missions to explore this alien world further are anticipated with great anticipation by the scientific community in the hopes of learning more about its possible subterranean ocean and the presence of extraterrestrial life in our immediate galactic vicinity. Recent studies made by the New Horizons spacecraft have unearthed persuasive evidence that the beautiful mountains of Pluto are covered in extensive layers of both young ice and water ice. These discoveries have sparked a new wave of enthusiasm among scientists and space fans alike, and they have shed light on the intricate geological processes that are taking place on this mysterious dwarf planet. Convection and cryovolcanism are two of the geological processes that could be at work on Pluto, and the presence of large layers of young ice suggests that Pluto's geology is relatively active. The idea that Pluto is a lifeless and unchanging world is called into question by the active and dynamic behavior of these icy mountains, particularly important for determining whether or not the deep oceans of the dwarf planet are capable of supporting life are the layers of water ice that cover the surface. In the hopes of resolving the mystery surrounding Pluto's frozen mountains, scientists are currently conducting additional research on the data gathered by New Horizons. They want to achieve this goal by conducting research on the makeup and structure of these layers in the hopes of gaining a deeper comprehension of the geologic history of Pluto and the planet's potential to support life. These amazing discoveries not only change what we know about Pluto, but they also pique our interest in the vast and varied worlds that exist within our solar system. Scientist and popularizer of science Brian Cox has offered an unusual take on the possibility of life on Pluto. Cox thinks there's a good chance that life is flourishing beneath Pluto's frozen surface, despite the fact that Pluto is technically a dwarf planet. According to his notion, a warm ocean lies beneath the icy surface. Cox bases his argument on the discovery of underground oceans in other celestial bodies, including Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus. By analogy, he proposes that Pluto's subterranean water may provide a safe sanctuary for microorganisms and other forms of life. Despite the hypothetical nature of his claim, Cox is confident in his assertion because of the extraordinary adaptability of Earth's life forms. He stresses the need of looking into these far-flung parts of our solar system because they may carry important information about life's beginnings and their prevalence throughout the cosmos. Cox's intriguing notion adds an interesting twist to the search for alien life as scientists work to better understand the universe around us. Numerous obstacles stand in the way of scientists and researchers collecting evidence of an ocean on Pluto. Direct observation and data collection are hampered by Pluto's great distance from Earth. Exploring Pluto's ocean with probes or missions is a huge logistical and technological undertaking that will require a lot of time and money. The icy surface of Pluto, which masks the ocean below, is another problem. Remote sensing and deep water exploration, both common techniques for investigating Earth's oceans, will not work on Pluto. In order to deduce the existence and features of the hidden oceans, scientists must rely on indirect data and simulations. Data collection is also made more difficult by Pluto's freezing temperatures. Because of this, it can be difficult to precisely interpret readings or discover minor evidence of an ocean when temperatures are low. Despite these obstacles, scientists are constantly developing new methods, including enhanced remote sensing and cutting-edge modeling, to learn more about Pluto and its water. Puzzles of this faraway planet, interdisciplinary teams will need to work together, as will constant technological progress. In search of extraterrestrial life, Europa and Enceladus have been explored more in recent years. Their interesting properties reveal underlying oceans underneath their frozen surfaces, drawing attention to these celestial planets. Scientists think these deep waters may host microbial life. Europa, with its geothermal activity and liquid water ocean, is a great target for future missions. However, Enceladus has shown water vapor plumes erupting from its south pole, suggesting subterranean oceans and life. Space technology and mission planning are permitting ambitious missions to explore these moons. These efforts are vital to humanity's attempt to solve the universe's mysteries and find out if life exists beyond Earth. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned about Pluto. To learn more, subscribe to our channel.